Hi everyone, welcome back to Network Guru channel. Today I'll show you how to get started with Revolut. Watch until the end to avoid mistakes. Let's get started. First, you must be over the age of 18 and be legal resident of supported country. What is country? It's Australia, Brazil, Japan, New Zealand, Singapore, and etc. You can stop video and find your country. However, if you are 16 to 18 years old, you can open a Revolut account in the United Kingdom. Go back. You can only have one person Revolut account, even across different countries. After you open a personal account, you have the option to make your Revolut a joint account or open a pro account. Require information. To open and use a Revolut account, you must provide the following: a valid mobile phone number, a valid email address, personal information include but not limited to current address, date of birth, full name and citizenships, a valid government issued document for identity verification, and a selfie for account security. You may also be asked a few questions about yourself and purpose of your account. This question won't impact your eligibility. For more help with uploading a document, check these factors in your help center. Is Revolut free? You can open and use a Revolut account at no cost. You can upgrade your account to one of our paid plans to save money on fees and access additional benefits. And that's it. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Bye.